My channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Windows XP on a Oracle VirtualBox virtual machine. So first you need to download and install Oracle VirtualBox. You just go to Google, and from here you can download and install Oracle VirtualBox. It's pretty straightforward. And after installing it, so I have it installed here. And after installing Oracle VirtualBox, you need to download Windows XP ISO file. So there are plenty of Windows XP ISO files out there, and this is a link that I downloaded. It's a compressed archive of the ISO. So you can Google and look for any free Windows XP ISO file. And after downloading it, open up Oracle VirtualBox, and then here you can create a new virtual machine. So I click new, and you can give whatever the name you want here. So I'm just going to give WinXP, and it will automatically detect Windows XP here. And I'm going to use Windows XP 32-bit because 64-bit I don't think that we need it. So if you need 64-bit you can go ahead, but I'm just going to select Windows 32-bit. And here you can set the RAM memory size here. So 192 is not enough, so I'm going to go ahead and increase it to 512. You can keep on increasing, but I don't recommend increasing it beyond 512 because it will slow down your computer. So just select 512, which is going to be more than enough, and keep the other settings as default and go ahead and click create. Okay, in the next window you will be asked to do some select some changes, but I'm not going to do any changes here. I'm going to keep them as default, and we'll be creating a virtual hard disk of VirtualBox disk image, and then I'm going to go ahead and click create. Okay, now we have the virtual machine here. Now we have to attach our downloaded ISO image, Windows XP ISO image, to this virtual machine. So we select the virtual machine here and go to settings, and here we have all the settings of the virtual machine, IO and everything, but we are going to go to storage because the ISO image is going to be in the storage, and we click the CD drive, okay, CD or DVD drive, and here in this corner we click this small CD icon and then choose ISO image. So to show you again, we click here and select choose or create a virtual optical disk. This option we select, and then from here we click add and browse to our ISO image, and then click open, and then click choose, and then we can click OK and close this window. Now we can go ahead and click the start virtual machine button. Okay, this is going to install the Windows XP on our virtual machine. So here you have to select our image again, ISO image again, and click start. This will start the virtual machine. Okay, now the installation has started. We'll maximize it. Okay, this is the unpartitioned space. No, so we are not going to create any new partitions. So we are going to go ahead and click and hit enter, and then we are going to use the NTFS file system. So no worries there, hit enter. This will format the virtual hard disk we have and then start installing the Windows XP to the hard disk. we will wait for some time. It won't take long anyway. I'm installing Windows XP after a long time. So this is also a pretty exciting moment. So just wait for the files to be copied and installation to start. Okay, it is restarting. Don't hit enter because the files have been copied to the hard disk already. Now the Windows XP installation is starting. Okay, now we just have to wait. It says it takes 39 minutes, but I don't think it will take that long. I will show you the important parts. Otherwise, I will fast forward it. Give this mic. Yeah, also can do. Okay, now the installation is complete. The computer is restarting. Now don't click any key because we don't want to boot from the CD. It is because the bootable device is set as the CD. So we will change it later. Now Windows is starting. Okay, click OK here and yes, click OK. I will show you how to set the boot priority in VirtualBox as well. Now Windows XP is starting. Click next. I don't want the firewall thing, so I'll click not right now. Click next. It's checking the internet connection. I'm not sure whether it has the access. Internet. Click next. Not now. Click next. I'll give my name A2T. Click next. Thank you. Finish. Okay. You hear the classic startup tune. Okay, I have installed Windows XP now. So as you can see, we have the one partition and here's the optical drive. All our folders are here, shared documents. And if we go to my computer and right click and see properties, we can see 512 RAM we allocated. So yes, that's it for this video, and we'll shut down and I'll show you how to set the boot priority as well. Okay, or else I'll restart it. Okay, it is restarting, and don't click any key because we don't want to boot from the CD, and it is booting from the hard disk now. I'll show you how to set the hard disk as the first device. So I will shut it down now. Click, select your virtual machine, go to settings and system, and here you can see the first bootable device is the floppy drive, then the CD drive, then only the hard disk. Hard disk is at the third drive, so it always go to the optical drive or the CD drive for the booting. So we want to make the hard disk the first one, so we bring it up and click OK and start the virtual machine again. Now we won't see that prompt. There you go, it is booting from the hard disk straight away. Okay, that's it for this video. If you will, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have anything, just comment below. I'm happy to answer your questions. Thank you.